Minister for Transport, this is the policy or the relating to rental cars. Yeah, rental car. When they, because of the COVID-19, a lot of rental car companies are downsizing, and therefore they will sell the rental cars, the vehicle that was rented as cars. The current policy is that they must replace the cars within 3 months, otherwise they lose the rental car license.
Yeah.
So what they want is, the clients that I represent, they want if they could be, this period could be extended to at least 18 months when the thing normalizes. Otherwise, they do not wish to lose the license, but they will come back later on and
Right.
use the same license.
Yeah.
You're about to ask me, and it's a good forum to actually tell everybody this. There are a lot of businesses here. If you're asking about the tins and the extra loading and people who've had not paid it in 90 days, right now that's the law. You have to pay it. It's as simple as that.
I think also, before we get too much distracted by this, the reality of the matter is about 9,000 haulage companies in Fiji. All of them are adhering to the laws, perhaps about 1,000 of the recalcitrant ones. They could be one of your clients. So you really, 1,000 out of 9,000 is actually a very good compliance rate. And as you would have seen in the budget, we'd urge your clients to look at the budget. We have said any haulage company that brings in airbag trailers. Airbag trailers cost about $100,000 to $110,000. If they bring in airbag trailers, we will give them a cash contribution of $20,000. The reality of the matter is we've been spending billions of dollars in making roads. Those who live in Nandi, go to the intersection outside Nandi Airport. The road is all curled up. That should not happen. And we know in Nandi, at 2 a.m., all these trucks are doing this business. We are investing in permanent weigh-in bridge sites and also motion, what's it called? Weigh-in motion technology. But we need to bring this to a halt. So we are saying you bring in airbag trailers which will actually cushion the weight from the road itself. And then we can, get obviously better road systems. And we're not wasting money, not giving money here and then taking it away from the other hand. So that's very important. And I'm sure that if they went and spoke to banks like BSP and banks like HFC, they would help them meet some of those payments that are due to them. Thanks.